All right, so it's time to wash this hair. My locks are dirty. I don't want to say extremely, but it just feels that way. And I am going to show you how I focus mainly on my scalp, but I, I a lot are I tend to um interlock, or I'm always retying the short area, and then I just let the top just be until it's time to do a retie again. And if you notice, there's new growth. My hair grows pretty fast, so I do cut on it quite often, especially around the sides. The top is recent new extensions that I put into it. So it's been about a month and a half, I believe, and I'm going to wash, and then I'm going to retie my top portion. But I just showing you, like, I can see my scalp. It's dry and it's dirty, and yeah. My grays, which I'm a little happy about, they're slowly coming in. My hair itches in this area a lot because it's probably gray. But yeah, I have a lot of new growth. Like my entire fingertip can go in here. I have a lot of new growth, just especially in the top. Now the rest of my hair, let's make sure I got everything. I know I'm probably going to add some more in some of these areas. I believe I will. But yeah, I got a lot of new growth, and I have grays that's coming in. So I want to go ahead and focus on my scalp. So I'm going to show you all what I'm going to be using real quickly. This is the shampoo that I'm using now. I used to use the clarifying shampoo by, what is that clarifying shampoo by? Garnier Fructis, I believe. I used the Garnier Fructis clarifying shampoo. That's what I used before, and now I'm using this because it's the moisture, and my hair just loves this shampoo. I use this as my daily leave-in conditioner, but what I do is I'll put this in here with water and coconut oil. I may be changing it to Jamaican Black Castor Oil, but we'll see how I feel about that. But this is what I use to wash my hair, and this is what I use for conditioner. As far as moisturizer goes, this is the raw Batana oil that my husband got from a market that we was at, and I showed this before in a video way back then, but it's just like, this is some really good stuff. And this is what's helping him grow his beard. And I also use Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So that's what I use. And I got this from, I think, Burlington. So Burlington has hair oils and body oils and stuff like that. So, but yeah, that's what I do. And then for my daily fresh, water, a leave-in conditioner, and some coconut oil. So I know it's body oil, but my scalp is my skin. The skin is your scalp. Yeah. So I have put the shampoo and water in 2 types of bottles. So a long time ago, there was a rinse that I used, Black owned company. I'll try and link it in the description box so that you'll know what that company is. But that's this bottle from that company. And what I do is I put water and whatever shampoo I'm planning on using into this one because of the spout. It makes it easy for me to get in the areas I need to get into. Or I'll use this. This is an empty leave-in conditioner. Yeah, this has the shampoo in it. This is an empty leave-in conditioner bottle that I put shampoo and water in so that I can spray into my scalp. So with a spout and with a spray is where I use my shampoo and water in to wash my hair. I rinse in the shower. I do not wash my hair in the shower anymore. There's a reason why I do it. So I'm going to just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start with the water and shampoo, using this bottle because it's just helpful, and I will spray it right into my scalp. And I am trying to soak only my scalp. I like to work in sections, and see, and I like to use, I cut my nails. My nails grow fast too when they grow long, so I cut when I know I'm about to do some maintenance to my hair. I cut my nails, and then I focus on bringing this shampoo down into my hair. That's how I like to do it. And I use my fingertips. My hairline tends to be the most itchiest and gets dirty pretty quickly because I sweat along my hairline. Cool. Let's do it on this side. So starting from bottom, and if for any reason I don't feel it's enough, I will soak this way. And that way I can get this section done. Now I'm going to do the back, and I'm going to speed it up. is. Goodness. Watch this. I'm gonna start with the front. And I'm gonna take this in small sections. And I'm going towards the front. So this is to at least wet the hair. It has not a lot of shampoo in it. And like I said, my hairline tends to be the worst. I'm using my fingertips and I'm focusing on my scalp and the new growth, and then slowly pulling it down into my hair. Now, because these are extensions, I'm going to be taking care of them a certain way, which I will definitely show you in this video, if not the next one. I'll let you know as I progress. But wet. Now that I'm done, I'm going to rinse this in the shower, and I like to rinse everything to go downward in the direction that my hair is going to fall, so I don't do all this crazy pulling it back and all of that. I tend to especially this front part, I keep this in a, let's make sure I got all of the right ones. I'll keep all of this in a little bun like this. That way I can really get in here without interrupting the extensions too much, because they're not really dirty. It's my scalp. And I let the water fall down and get the soap out of my hair. A really good tip or quick tip, if your hair is as dirty as mine, which I should have done that, but I didn't. If you come across where your hair is that dirty, use what is it I'm thinking about? When you use your shampoo and water in either of these bottles, I like to use them both together. This one to start off and this one to get more soap in and shampoo in and finish it off. But you can use apple cider vinegar to put into your hair, into the bottles as well. And that will help as like an astringent in a sense, for if your scalp is really, really dirty and your hair as well, because keep in mind your hair can get dirty from your scalp. It falls down into it, but you can add apple cider vinegar to your shampoo and water mixture to cleanse your hair or cleanse your scalp. So yeah, my hair is dirty as hell right now. But hey, this is how I do it, so I'll be right back.